Hi all, welcome to our channel. So yesterday we discussed about the one of the topic about YouTube live streaming with the pre-recorded video. Any particular videos, we have to pre-recorded videos. We can go to live streaming will be here. The risk we can using for some software will be here. Existing video and upload on YouTube channel. How we can go with the live option? That is a call. Option name is two things. One is called on-time publish. Second will be schedule with the live. Both can be accepted. Coming to this video, after video uploading, I've already discussed so many times how to upload a video on YouTube channel. You can always you can use this particular pattern. Any video after uploading, publishing purpose, publish with the set as a premiere, schedule with the premiere option. So about today date will be 26th. Every time will be after 15 minutes we can schedule the here. Right now 6:42 will be here. After 6:40 nothing but 6:45 you can schedule with the premiere option. This is exactly 6:45 that is going to live premiere on your particular YouTube channel option. So for premiere, we have to change will be here. I'm not interested to 6:45. Go with the 8 o'clock. The premiere anytime will be changing. But on-time premiere, publish it as a premiere option. We can't change. So this premiere, we can go with option name is called on-time live on your particular YouTube channel option. So here, what are the live will be specified in this? That live we can call for hi, and what are the specification you can useful here? Add this content, and that will be here is the option. So before that, what are the specification? So it will be here. Exactly live will be started 2 minutes. So the live will be, we can't use any kind of third party software. This live streaming will be created by the, with option name is called Premiere. Any video on time live purpose, the use feature name called YouTube Premiere option. That is a compulsory will be here. And sir, Premiere, what is the reason? That is called in 2 minutes, anybody we can interested, they can coming will be here. See, watching now is the two Premiere peoples and start any live chat will be here. They can contact through your channel itself, like any kind of questions, any kind of anything they'll ask him will be in the Premiere future. So without any using software, how we can creating for YouTube live video? The option name is called YouTube Premiere. So compulsory any schedule anything will be Premiere feature you can utilize and upload the video on YouTube channel option. This is called live video on your YouTube channel with the live participate with the users and answer your questions. Anything will be here. In a particular option name is called YouTube Premiere. This future is how is working for live, and this will be working as the live option. So after live finish, what will happen? The video will go into the normal mode. People can watch everything, but the live chat is not possible. The only one option will be here. They can see the video, but they can't come into the live chat. When is live chat will be working, up to video will be going on here. The premiere will be working on YouTube chat option. So when you're doing this time, you compulsory do one option name is called, what are the content you will be posting will be here. That is called go to community. What are the live you're running will be here. Go to video, click this option, select here, click this, and before that, question compulsory add it here. If you forget the question, there will be problem will be facing. So don't forget hashtags, click for post. So anybody have the entity, they can contact with the premium option will be here. This is the method you can follow to the particular users and what are those your steps, and we can follow it. So compulsory, we can go with this future, getting for more viewers on your YouTube channel, and notification will reach into the particular audience. If any further doubts, contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.